Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to add a column to your data. On your Data tab, on the left-hand side, you'll see several buttons. We're going down to the fifth one, Add a New Column. Clicking this opens up a dialog box where we can name that column. We can also fill it with a default value. So for instance, if I were doing country for my map, to fill it in for all of them, then I would hit save. But if you don't have anything to fill it in with, leave that blank. We see that it has dropped that column right before the BG accuracy column. You can add as many columns as you need, and whether full or empty, you'll just need that column name. And it will drop in right before that BG accuracy again. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.